Super easy and super fast, I will teach you how to delete YouTube history. The first thing we must do is enter our YouTube application. And once we are here, press YouTube, and here we are going to go to Pro Life. And we can see settings. In settings, you touch manage all history. The history here, you can see your account, and you are going to go to where it says the account that you have on your device. From there, I will take us to a section of the Google account. We can see the history. You can touch in and delete video. Deletion complete. Touch here, and you can select all historical. Manage my activity, delete today, delete custom range, on delete all time. You touch here delete custom range, and you can enter a date and other date. Next, this is all, guys. Super fast and super easy. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to tell us what you thought.